Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix Discord unable to link phone number to account error. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, before diving into the solutions, you have to check these points. Check if your number is already linked. Ensure the phone number isn't already connected to another Discord account. Number 2, use a valid and supported number. Use a real non-VoIP mobile number. Discord doesn't accept virtual numbers. Number 3, wait before retrying. Too many attempts can trigger a temporary block. Wait 50-60 minutes before trying again. Number 4, clear Discord app cache for mobile. Android, go to settings, apps, Discord, storage and clear cache. You know this. Number 5, try a different platform. Switch between desktop, mobile app or browser to enter your number. If all else fails, go to this link, Discord support. I will provide this link in the description. Just paste it into your browser or mobile browser and press enter. Now here, just click on this drop down arrow and select help and support. Enter your email address over here. Click on type of question and here select account verification and credentials. Now what type of issue are you experiencing? Here select phone verification. Under phone verification, select the error you are facing. For example, I'm facing this error, invalid phone number. Okay, enter your phone number. Now under subject, write unable to link phone number to account. In description, write I'm having trouble linking my phone number to my Discord account. Every time I try, I receive an error message or the process doesn't complete. You can write whatever you want. I will provide this template in the description. And you can also attach any attachment if you can. It would be good. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.